Okay, now going more behind the counters and see equipment. The stoves. Back into the middle here, again I had to open the back door. Everything must be to code because this stuff all looks brand new. Look at this equipment here. Some sort of buffet or something. Sorry, I don't know a bit more about restaurant equipment. And that the light is kind of poor in here. This is obviously a fridge. Where they sell pop out of the front, and then they've got dough and everything in the back. That's kind of sweet that they do kind of take the fact that they have to have a fridge and use it into a retail item to show the nice cold fresh pop in the front right there. Convenient.